Hi, I'm just going to show you a recipe that I'm making. It's called sheet pan sesame chicken. And I thought maybe I would share this with you because it's a bariatric recipe. So you have to excuse our dirty kitchen though, because a drawer broke and now the contents of that drawer are everywhere. Okay, here we go. Okay, my husband has already cut up all these vegetables. I forgot to record all this, but we have red pepper, green pepper, broccoli. I put in carrots. It didn't ask for carrots because I'm doing 2 pounds of chicken instead of 1, and I didn't have enough vegetables. So, and we also put in some celery. So we have 2 pounds of chicken, broccoli, snap peas, carrots, peppers, celery. Can you see it? And I have a wonderful husband that cuts it all up for me. Now we're gonna go over here, and this is the sauce that we're putting in it. And again, I forgot to film it. So it has honey, soy sauce, chili sauce, garlic. Is that it? Honey. I think that's it. And we cook it, and then we are supposed to cook it until it gets a little thicker, and then we pour some over the top, and then pour some at the end. Okay? We'll let you know how it is. Okay, this is what it looks like before it goes in the oven. The sauce, I remembered, also has ginger in it. I'll link the recipe below. But this is the sesame chicken, sheet pan chicken. I'm just tossing it now. We just added the last sauce, the last bit of sauce to it. So you just, I toss it because it was getting in clumps everywhere. So I tossed it. And then the last thing that we do is put some sesame seeds on it. These might be good toasted. I don't know, but you can see. It doesn't call for a certain amount of sesame seeds, so I'm just putting some on for a little flavor. Okay. And our kitchen smells delicious. And I had one little piece and it tastes good too. So, hope you enjoy. So, honey, what do you think of the recipe?
Great. Delicious.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite part?
The sauce.
I thought you were going to say that. It's a hit, guys.